If you're thinking about using AI Reply, this brand new AI software, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. I've tested hundreds of tools in digital marketing and automation, and this one has some serious potential if you use it right. Before we dive in, just know, you can try AI Reply completely free from the first link below. No commitment, just instant access. And stick around, because the last thing I'll share is something even power users tend to miss, yet it can 10x your results. So what is AI Reply exactly? It's an AI-powered customer response automation platform. Think of it as your 24/7 smart assistant for emails, social DMs, and even reviews. What makes it different? It doesn't just reply with templates. It learns from your tone, previous replies, and even adjusts to how your audience speaks. That's game-changing for brand voice consistency. Next, integration is seamless. It hooks into Gmail, Outlook, Facebook, Instagram, Shopify, and even Google Business Profiles. No API headaches, no Zapier chains. If you're in e-commerce, coaching, or running a local business, it connects to the tools you already use. Now here's something I love as a marketer, the reply intelligence. It doesn't just answer questions, it pushes engagement. Someone asks about shipping? AI Reply not only replies, but upsells a similar product or mentions a promo code you've got running. That's smart automation with revenue in mind. Another key point, it's fully customizable. You can teach it how not to respond. So if you're worried about robotic tone or brand misfires, don't be. You can add phrases to avoid, tones to follow, even industry-specific language. This makes it miles ahead of basic chatbot tools. Speed matters too. AI Reply drafts smart responses in seconds, but gives you the option to edit before sending. You stay in control while saving hours a week. And if you're managing multiple accounts or clients, it supports team permissions, response routing, and analytics for performance tracking. Security is tight. AI Reply uses encrypted servers and doesn't store sensitive messages longer than necessary. For industries like healthcare, finance, or legal, this is huge. And yes, it's GDPR and CCPA compliant. Now here's the kicker most people overlook. It builds a response library in the background, passively training itself on what works. That means your replies get smarter over time without you doing a thing. If you're even slightly overwhelmed with messages, or if response time is killing your conversions, AI Reply is worth testing out. It's already becoming the go-to for solopreneurs and digital agencies who want speed without losing personalization. Again, you can try AI Reply completely free using the first link in the description. No payment upfront. And if you're serious about automating your business with AI, I've listed my top recommended AI tools, including ones for content, lead gen, and SEO, after personally trying over 1,000. All free to test and all in the description below.